All right, YouTube, we got something in the mail. I received like a little email from Babyliss, so I know, kind of assume what it is. So when I came in from lunch, it was sitting at my desk. Now when I did the email, it basically said black and blue Babyliss clippers. Ooh, okay, we got a setup right here. It's clipper over comb. We got some clips, a towel. No, that's a oh, that's a cape. Dope little packaging. All right, we ain't really tripping on that. Ooh, I've been so good. All right, we got the, what is this? This is the Babyliss Lithium Fx. Okay, we got the FX right here. We got a liner. Okay, what else? Oh, we got the whole line. We got the foil shavers. All right. Hold on. This is the single. Single foil shaver. And this one right here is the double foil shaver right here. This is pretty clean. Now let's open it up. Alright. This is what it's looking like. Look pretty good though. With the blue blade? Hold on, let me get the click. The click clacks. The clickety clack on it. Okay, let's see how it sounds. Nice and quiet. Come on, man. And it's got the little button on the side. You see that little, I like the little button. All right, feels good in hand. These are just like the old ones, basically the body style of it, but hopefully they cut good. Let me show you the liners. Now I just did a top 5 liners video. Ooh, with the blue blade on it. I did a video. Hopefully this could be added to the top 5, because this, okay. I like the design of this one though, with the skinny neck. Definitely like that. Alright, I ain't never had the liners in this model, so hopefully they hit. Let's try them out though. Alright, and last but not least, the foil shaver. The shaver is blue. Comes with this smart UV top, which basically clicks on and it sanitizes the foil shaver. It actually lights up as well. That's pretty hard. This is the charging. That's what the charger looks like. This is how it sounds. Pretty typical. It got a nice matte black finish though, which is nice. All of these got like a matte black finish, and it's pretty dope though. All right, stay tuned.